Have you ever stopped to think about how many push-ups are needed to really build muscle? This simple question could be the key to unlocking a whole new level of fitness in your life. Push-ups are one of the oldest and most effective exercises known to man and are fundamental in the world of fitness. As a bodyweight exercise, they can be performed anywhere, anytime, without the need for equipment. Furthermore, push-ups work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, from the chest and shoulders to the triceps and core, making them a complete and highly efficient exercise. In this video, we will demystify the magic number of push-ups you need to do daily to see real results. We will explore correct techniques, discuss frequency and intensity, and show how you can adjust your training regimen to maximize muscle gain. All this in a simple and accessible way, so that you can start applying these tips immediately, no matter your fitness level. Ready to transform your body with just one exercise? Then subscribe to the channel and don't miss a second of this video. Push-ups are more than just an exercise to increase strength. They are a way to transform your health and your body. By performing push-ups, you not only strengthen the upper body muscles, but also promote core stability and improve posture. The regularity of this exercise helps to increase cardiovascular capacity, as maintaining a constant sequence of movement raises the heart rate, bringing benefits comparable to a cardiovascular workout. Moreover, push-ups improve the flexibility of the posterior muscles, as these muscles are stretched when lowering the body to the ground. Therefore, we can say that push-ups are a powerful strengthening exercise. They recruit multiple muscle groups simultaneously, from the chest to the deltoids and triceps, and also the core. By challenging these muscles against the resistance of the body itself, push-ups help to develop muscular strength in a comprehensive manner. This complete approach not only strengthens the muscles, but also prepares them for daily movements and more demanding physical activities, reducing the risk of injuries. Regarding the increase in muscle size, push-ups are exceptional as they allow for various variations that can intensify the exercise and focus on different muscle groups. For example, by adjusting the hand position or elevating the feet, you can increase the intensity of the muscle work, which is crucial for promoting hypertrophy. The key is gradual progression, increasing the difficulty of the exercise as your strength and endurance improve. Push-ups are also beneficial for bone and joint health. This exercise is an example of a weight-bearing activity, which is vital for maintaining bone density. Regular execution of push-ups can help prevent bone loss with aging, as well as strengthen the joints involved, especially in the wrists and elbows, increasing their stability and reducing the risk of injuries. Performing push-ups regularly can improve your metabolic efficiency. This whole-body exercise increases muscle mass, which in turn raises the basal metabolism. This means you continue burning calories even at rest, facilitating weight maintenance and body fat reduction. Determining an ideal number of push-ups that universally applies is a challenge, as it varies from person to person, depending on factors such as age, physical condition, and specific goals. Especially after the age of 40, it's important to understand that muscle growth may be slower and the risk of injuries slightly higher, requiring a more cautious and personalized approach. Performing push-ups should be seen not just as a matter of quantity, but primarily of quality and variation. Instead of focusing on hitting a large number of repetitions every day, it's more effective to alternate the days you practice this exercise with days focused on other types of training or active rest. This allows the muscles involved in push-ups to have adequate time to recover and rebuild, which is crucial for muscle gain and injury prevention. Additionally, varying the type of push-up, such as inclined, declined, or with hands spaced apart, can help work different muscle groups and avoid the muscle plateau, which is when the body gets used to a certain stimulus and stops showing improvements. This approach not only helps maintain motivation, but also maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise over time. Beyond the number of repetitions, it's important to think about rest. Muscle recovery is crucial for physical development, especially after intense exercises like push-ups, which cause micro tears in the muscle fibers. Implementing adequate rest between workouts is essential to allow the body to repair these micro tears, replenish energy stores, and reduce inflammation. Good recovery involves not just rest, but also a nutrition rich in proteins, adequate hydration, quality sleep, and relaxation techniques such as stretching and massages. These practices not only accelerate muscle recovery, but also enhance overall performance and safety during workouts. To perform a perfect push-up, start by positioning your hands firmly on the ground, aligned with your shoulders and slightly wider than them. Keep your body straight, forming a straight line from your heels to your head, and activate the core to prevent the hips from sinking or rising. As you lower your body, inhale and bring your elbows back, forming a 45-degree angle with your torso, ensuring they don't flare. Out to the sides, lower until your chest almost touches the ground, then exhale while pushing the ground to return to the starting position. Correct execution not only maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise, but also minimizes the risk of injuries. Improper execution of push-ups can significantly increase the risk of injuries, especially to the shoulders, wrists, and back. An inappropriate hand placement or incorrect body posture can lead to unnecessary strains in these areas. For example, if the elbows are too open, this can cause an overload on the shoulders, while an unengaged core can result in lower back pain due to improper curvature of the spine. Therefore, maintaining the correct technique not only optimizes the benefits of the exercise, but also prevents damage that can delay progress and compromise overall health. For beginners to push-ups, it is crucial to start with moderation and focus on correct technique. Start with easier variations, such as knee push-ups or wall-supported push-ups, to gradually build strength. Keep the spine and legs aligned and avoid letting the hips sink or rise excessively. Focus on performing a complete movement, descending until the chest almost touches the ground and then rising fully. Progressively increase the number of push-ups as your strength increases, and do not hesitate to rest when necessary to avoid excessive fatigue. To maximize the results of physical exercises, adequate nutrition is essential. Focus on a diet rich in proteins to assist in repair and muscle growth, including sources like lean meat, fish, eggs, and legumes. Complex carbohydrates like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes provide lasting energy for training, while healthy fats from nuts, seeds, and avocado support muscle recovery and maintain balanced hormonal functions. Moreover, adequate hydration is crucial as it aids in muscle function and post-workout recovery. Maintaining a balanced and nutritious diet is key to supporting an effective exercise regimen and promoting overall health. Supplementation with whey protein and creatine offers significant benefits for those engaging in regular exercise, particularly in terms of recovery and muscle gain. Whey protein is an excellent source of fast-absorbing protein, ideal for post-workout consumption as it aids in the quick recovery of damaged muscle fibers during exercise. On the other hand, creatine provides additional energy to muscle cells, allowing for an increase in performance and intensity of workouts. This results in more effective workouts and can accelerate the muscle hypertrophy process. Together, these supplements help strengthen the body and maximize the results of your training program, making them popular choices among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Incorporating different types of strength exercises, in addition to push-ups, can significantly enhance the results of your training. Weightlifting, workouts with bodyweight exercises like squats and pull-ups are essential for developing different muscle groups, improving coordination and stability, and increasing bone density. This variety in training not only prevents monotony but also avoids training plateaus, where progress no longer occurs. By challenging the body in various ways, you stimulate the continuous adaptation of muscles and the cardiovascular system, leading to quicker and more enduring improvements in both strength and endurance. It's important to note that the information and tips provided in this text are for informational and educational purposes only, and do not replace the advice and monitoring of qualified health professionals. If you have specific health conditions or need personalized guidance for your exercise and diet routine, consulting with a doctor or physical education specialist is essential. They can provide recommendations tailored to your individual needs, ensuring your health and safety during physical activities and in managing your diet. As you reflect on how many push-ups are necessary per day to build muscles, it's crucial to remember that more than just numbers, what we seek is a healthy balance between exercise, adequate nutrition, and proper recovery. Push-ups are a powerful tool for strengthening the body, but they are just part of a broader lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and the use of supplements when necessary. The real secret to physical strength and well-being lies not only in the number of push-ups performed, but in the consistency and integration of healthy habits that support both muscle growth and overall health. In this video, we discussed the importance of push-ups and how they can be a key component in your exercise routine. We talked about the correct technique, the benefits of regular exercise, and how recovery and proper nutrition are essential for maximizing your results. All this forms the foundation for effective training and a healthier life. Now, I invite you to reflect on how you can incorporate push-ups into your daily routine. Think about what you can do today to take that step toward a strong and healthy body. Do not underestimate the power of starting with a few push-ups a day and gradually increasing as your strength builds. I would love to hear about your experiences and progress. Leave a comment below sharing how push-ups are helping you achieve your health goals, or any questions you might have so that we can learn and grow together on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your participation helps our community grow and stay motivated in pursuit of a strong body. See you in the next video.